Well, it's time to get ready for another barbecue season, and I've been actively cleaning up my backyard and getting my smoker ready for some entertaining that's going to be happening in the summer. But the number one rule when barbecuing is to take care of the pitmaster or the cooks and keep them well lubricated with a nice cocktail. And today I wanted to show you about a cocktail that I learned about from my day job. So when I'm not barbecuing in my day job, I work in the furniture industry. And at one of our more recent shows, I ran into the Burgundy boys from Burgundy Oak. They happened to be a vendor at the show that I was at, and they introduced me to a drink that is spectacular. And I wanted to show you guys how to make this. It's very easy to do. Just a smoky little cocktail, and you can do it pretty much with any type of liquor that you want. So the Burgundy boys actually sent out some smoke barrel chips for me, and these are smoke chips that are made from old wine barrels that they've cut up into little squares, and they have them in both wine barrels or whiskey barrels. So let me show you how to make a smoky cocktail that should be the hit of your next barbecue, just using one of these little oak barrel chips, some fire, and of course your favorite cocktail. I've got my whiskey here, or bourbon. You can go whiskey or bourbon. Rum, let's see, so I got whiskey, I got tequila, rum, and some vodka here, and you can do it with any of these. So let me show you how to make this real quick. All right, to make your smoky cocktail, all you need is one of your oak chips, your wine barrel chips, and some sort of surface that you can burn it on. You can do it straight on your cutting board if you don't mind scorch marks, but the Burgundy boys actually provided me with a smoke box, which works out really well. And of course, you need some sort of source of flame. Let's go ahead and get this lit on fire. And you want a good flame going on this, so get it going really well. And then once it's on fire, you're just going to take your glass, put it over the flame, snuff out the flame, and look at that filling up with smoke. And if you have a nice cold glass, you'll form condensation on the inside, which really helps to trap some of the smoke on the interior of the glass. So now this is ready to go. Just go ahead and get your favorite cocktail. I'm going to do tequila on this one. Flip it over, pour in your cocktail, and swirl it around a little bit to get some of that smokiness off the side of the glass. And then you just enjoy. And you can make just about any of your beverages smoky. You can smoke up your whiskey or bourbon, rum, tequila, vodka or gin, or even mix up a smoky mixed cocktail like a dark and stormy. Nice and smoky. So cheers, everybody. I hope you have a great summer with your barbecues, and if you want to get a hold of some of these barrel chips, I'm going to put the link down in the description of this video of where you can find these from the Burgundy brothers, and they have a YouTube channel as well if you want to check that out. They also sent me the extra bag here that I'm going to do as a giveaway later on this summer, so stay tuned. I'm going to give away a bunch of stuff coming up this summer that is barbecue related. So have a great summer, everybody. Cheers. Make yourself a smoky cocktail. This is Jeff with Smoked Meat with Jeff. I'll see you next time.